Okay, guys, today's topic is about figuring out customer journeys across various platforms, and FirstHive helps you do that. They help you with your ROI on your engagement with your customers. Okay, so let's see how they do it.
You're a startup, first time, they help in figuring out customer journeys. You study various channels of a brand and ensure that they understand how they win customers back or retain them, right? I'll leave you to make the introductions, please. You're the better man in your startup, so tell me, what does it do?
Cool. All right. Hey everyone, and Vishal, it's always a pleasure to be back on a conversation with you. So here you go, right? I mean, FirstHive is what is called as a customer data platform, folks. We are focused on what you would define as large consumer marketing enterprises. So typically, this will mean banks, financial services, CPG, retail, travel, tourism, hospitality, digital commerce companies. So essentially, those companies which are focused on consumer marketing and which have a reasonably large scale at that. Why
Okay.
do we focus on it and the problem? Do you want me to get into that, Vishal? Right
Yeah,
now,
I want you to get into that immediately because there's a lot. I think we'll get off the basics and then get in deep later. Go on, tell them, why would large enterprises want to work with you?
Cool, awesome. So here you go, right? I mean, I think basically, if you look at a large consumer marketing company, and all of us as consumers deal with a lot of the brands which are trying to target us, right? And for some of them, we are in what you would call as the acquisition bucket. Like, they're trying to acquire us. For some of them, we are existing customers, and we have interactions with with all of these brands across a variety of channels. Mobile or web or Facebook or Instagram or customer care systems and
Correct.
so on and so forth. And when we interact with the brand across all of these, all of the brands use a lot of different tools behind each of these channels to understand and service us better, or to be able to reach out to us with communication and information so that they can either acquire us or service us better. Now, each of these different channels and tools, we leave a different footprint or a different breadcrumb of intelligence about our preferences, our likes, dislikes, what are we likely to respond to, and so on and so forth. Now, for a brand to be able to deliver good customer experience, which is what all of us expect, and more so today than ever before, when in general our span of attention has gone down dramatically as consumers, a brand needs to really communicate right and has to stay consistent across all the different channels that we have a conversation with the brand. And for that, the brand has to know all aspects of it. Otherwise, it will be like the five blind men in the elephant, right? Each part of the brand knows a different aspect about you, but it cannot communicate to you as you. It communicates to you in different personas that you have, and that leads to dissipated customer experiences or broken customer experiences. And the brand ends up spending a lot of money in trying to retarget a customer, which may or may not respond to that advertising message, but may respond to a customer service message, and so on. So that's what we really do for the brand. In all multiple tools, there are multiple small brains which are working in each of these tools. We come in as the single central CPU on a motherboard, or a single brain, which now feeds off all of this intelligence, consolidates it, connects the dots, and gives brands the ability and the control to now deliver consistent customer experience. That's really what we do.